Pop culture isn't just entertainment. It's a mirror quietly shaping who we are, what we desire, and how we see the world. From a sociological lens, popular culture refers to the shared symbols, music, films, fashion, memes, and narratives that circulate widely within society. Unlike high culture, pop culture is mass-produced, fast-moving, and deeply tied to power, economics, and identity. Historically, pop culture evolves alongside social structures. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, industrialization and mass media gave rise to newspapers, cinema, and radio, creating shared cultural references. Mid-20th century television standardized lifestyles and norms, something the Frankfurt School, especially Theodor Adorno, criticized as the culture industry, arguing that pop culture pacifies people and reinforces conformity under capitalism. By the 1970s and 80s, this view shifted. Cultural sociologists like Stuart Hall argued that audiences are not passive. People interpret pop culture differently based on class, race, gender, and lived experience. Meaning is negotiated, not imposed. What a song or film represents in one community can mean something entirely different in another. Late modernity accelerated these dynamics. Zygmunt Bauman described culture today as liquid. Trends emerge, peak, and vanish rapidly, leaving identities unstable and constantly under construction. Social media intensifies this, turning individuals into both consumers and producers of culture, a process media theorist Henry Jenkins calls participatory culture. Muslim sociologists offer a moral and civilizational critique of pop culture. Ali Shariati warned that mass culture can disconnect humans from purpose, reducing them to imitation rather than conscious moral agents. Akbar Ahmed emphasized how global pop culture reshapes Muslim identities, often creating tension. Meanwhile, Abdelwahab El-Affendi highlights how cultural narratives influence power, resistance, and ethical responsibility in Muslim societies. Ultimately, pop culture is not trivial. It teaches us what to love, what to fear, and what to ignore. Studying it sociologically reveals whose voices are amplified, whose are silenced, and how meaning itself is socially constructed. If you want more smart sociological breakdowns, join the channel, subscribe, and help it grow, because understanding society starts with questioning what we consume.